Hey, what's up guys? Today we're in Maui and we're traveling down the beautiful road to Hana. We're stopping at a place called Wakamoi Stream. It's at mile marker number 9.9. You're going to look for the Wakamoi Nature Trailhead. Now don't park here. Keep going past it as you're driving east. You're going to look for the very next bridge that you see. You're going to see a few parking spots. This is where you want to try to park, but it can be a little bit tricky. It took us a few tries before we could finally ease ourselves into a parking spot.
There's two sets of waterfalls. One of them you can see from the road. Parking is crazy here, but just fight for a spot. Oh, should I do it? This is a little bit challenging here. Just kind of going over all these rocks. Going past this waterfall. I think we're about to see it. Oh wow. A little bit of a challenge, but are y'all glad you did it?
Yeah, that's really pretty.
Look at them girls, they're just taking off. They said, there's a waterfall and I'm gonna swim it. Go Claire. Yeah. Yay! This is amazing. Good job. We made it back here. A little bit of a cave. You like that?